Hello everyone and welcome to the Engaging Website Design Series. This is Yu-Kai Chow, gamification pioneer, international keynote speaker. So in this episode, we're gonna look at how to add meaningful choices into a gamification platform and website so that your users can actually feel like they're playing, they're having fun, they're strategically advancing their lives. And this coincides with my Core Drive 3 empowerment of creativity and feedback in my Octalysis framework. And one really important aspect of creating a gamified, engaging experience is to allow your user to play. What does that mean? It means that if you create an environment where users can utilize their creativity, strategy, meaningful choices, very important. It allows them to express their style. That's fun, that's interesting. That's like playing with Lego, you know? And so that is more powerful than just say, hey, do this, now do this, now do this, now do this, good job. Because we like to use our creativity, it's very important. The key of having meaningful choices is to make sure there isn't a linear path to the win state, but multiple different paths to success. Oftentimes, if everyone in the system uses exact same way to play the game or do the desired actions, you remove the personal choice and the style from the system. But if it's like, hey, there are multiple ways to do it, combinations, different percentages, and you want to figure out how to maximize the outcome, that becomes more interesting and more fun. And that's how you allow your users to express their style and strategy and creativity. And when that element is there, there's a sense of play, and that's intrinsic. So you want to give users a game technique, what I call boosters. So if you can allow users to unlock certain items and power-ups to do the desired actions better, to participate in activities more, then they can strategize about what they should do to get different boosters, and those facilitate other types of activities. So more strategy comes into play. So let's look at how to add a little bit more meaningful choices into your website through Captain Up. So, empowerment of creativity and feedback, meaningful choices. This basically means you want to give users multiple ways to win a game. And so if we see on Captain Up's platform, if you want to optimize how to win, there's a few ways, there are many ways, right? There's all these different types of badges you can participate in. You can try to go for those. You can try to figure out what the answer is and how to get those badges. There are badges that are more about exploration, discovery. There are more badges more about persistence or going crazy or sharing, all that stuff. So there's multiple ways for users to get it. Some of them just come back a lot every day and they get some points. But the whole point is you want to give them a strategy, ways to figure out how to win this game. You know, some people do likes, and partially it's also to figure out what do the badges mean, right? When you click on a badge, it doesn't really tell you what the badge really means. So it says, well, this is 2,500 points, and it just says, this badge is obtained by following the actions of Son of Judeus. But then you're like, Happy Bird. Happy Bird looks like you're quite the happy bird, but can you become a gamification Gosu? Now you're like, I have a feeling that this is related to Twitter. So you tweet once, and you see if this percentage goes up a bit, then you realize, wait a second, this is definitely a tweeting badge, and kind of figure out how to get the badge. Some of them are like you have to like or tweet within a week, and so after a week it expires, it disappears, and you're like, this one I actually have to be pretty persistent and consistent on it. And so you eventually start figuring out how to get these badges. And so there's a sense of strategy, there's a sense of style, there's the couch potato badge, which means you just watch a lot of videos, and so this allows users to play and utilize the strategy, creativity, and that is very important in a gamification design. The topic of meaningful choices is something that you need to consider for your website engagement design strategy. This is Yu-Kai Chow, and I will see you guys next time.